Hello all, welcome to Read to Share. Today we're reading a story called The Big Match. Here come the fans. Here come the 6 ducks. Here come the 6 foxes. The ducks fans quack. Ducks, ducks, ducks. The fox fans sing. Foxes, foxes, foxes. The ref rings a bell. The match has begun. The foxes and ducks kick the ball. Rick Duck gets the ball in. Yes! Max Fox gets the ball in. Yes! The ducks get the ball. Max Fox kicks Rick Duck. The ducks fans quack. Get him off! The ref rings his bell. Get off Max. Rick Duck gets the ball in. Yes! The duck fans quack and sing. Up with Rick! The ducks win the match. Ducks 2, foxes 1. The end. Thank you for listening. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.